Ha, bruh, you ain't ready. See this now. Woohoo. Come, let's unbox with me this LED. Hi. Anywho, tak. This is going to be very fast and quick. Fast and quick. Fast and quick. Let me move it closer. Anywho, now you see over there, it's 48 watts power. Let me tell you the importance of it. The higher the watts, the faster the cure of your nails. All right, I thought you should know. And as this topic suggests, this is a UV LED lamp, okay, for the nails. Look at it, it's so cute. I know. So look at it. Those are the specifications of the same. Before we go back to what this is, specifications over there, you can as well Google and contact up unbox with you. And just for your information, this is a device that emits UV. Okay, did I say UV? Of course. And UV is ultraviolet light. Okay, so it helps in curing your nail polish, basically that. And these are the features of my device. So low heat mode, whatever. And oh my god, I can't just wait to use this. I mean, I have just been seeing on the internet that ladies, especially ladies, you should be very much independent, as in you should be able to do most of the things alone, just in case venye nimeithrow. I mean, it is mine after all. Okay, it is mine. The new owner of LED lamp in town. And yes, let us unbox it. Oh my god, I want to believe that everything is considered inside here, including the curing time, the safety. Look at it. Oh my god. SUN. Oh my god, and the cable is unboxed. I mean, oh my god, you people ain't ready. Well, I wasn't an owner of this, but my nails never went. How do I call it? But just look at my nails, my friends. Oh my god, this is now where we switch it on and off. It has different, rather variety timelines. This is where now we charge it. I'll show you. Give me a minute, I'm gonna show you. But as well, I can dislocate it, okay, just like that. It's attached together magnetically, and these are the magnets just around. So it's very easy as well in terms of putting it from one place to another. No need to worry. These are the UV lights. Life made easier, I think, just in case, you know. And I think that in this season, I have learned to do things alone. What season am I referring to? Okay, anyway, let's see if we are able to charge this. Look at my nails, manzi. Just look at them. No acrylics, no nothing. I mean, and again, let me just repeat and shout, I was not an owner of this, and now that I'm an owner, I will make sure that we go together to shop for the polishes. And fixing it is so easy, very easy. This is the charger. Just make sure you plug it in correctly. So for me, I'm just trying to check if it's working. And how would you know that it's working? It's got a light, okay, and the buttons have to work. When I switch it on, it has to have some lights, okay. And then with the different time frames, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 10 seconds, they have to behave. Otherwise, back to the shop. Anyway, that's me trying to fix it on a power so that I see if it's working. So guys, let us wait if it's gonna light. Fingers crossed, because So fingers crossed. Oh my goodness. It's taking quite some time. No, wait. This is a lie. I'm just trying to... Ooh. Thank heavens. And we are at 0.00 seconds. Okay, so the... oh my god. It's giving the salon vibe. Oh my gosh. Right? So you just press there. Oh my god, this is for 60 seconds. So let me try and put my hands inside there and see if it's gonna give. So for 10 seconds should give you... Hey. Oh my god. Oh my god. I know sometimes you want to go to the salon and feel pampered and make things done for you, but look. Eesh. Okay, let me see. 30 seconds. Working. 60. Check. Down. On. Ash. And look at the calorie off. We're good to go. Thumbs up. Yeah. And what we're gonna do now is just to now pack it back again. Wait for the hole for us to buy the gels, rather the polishes, so that we are ready to use it. Oh my god. I think I should do more of DIYs. What do you think, guys? Just making myself useful. I think I am so sure I will need these techniques. Yeah, I need these techniques somewhere, if not now, in the near future. Yeah, very essential. So any lady outside there, I am not used to doing things alone. I mean, I'm the type of people who just want to go and sit and being served. But well, I can as well serve myself. I can give you a variety of, you can make your own nails, or your daughters, you know, times and seasons. So anyway, let us pack it back. Let's wait for the polishes before we come back. Oh my god. Yeah, I hope that was useful. I can't wait to share with you. Churros.